In this video, let me show you how you can fix Steam application load error. On your computer, search and type Steam, right-click on a Steam app, and select Open File Location. In the folder that will appear, right-click on the Steam shortcut again, choose Properties, and then click Open File Location one more time. Now that you've located the actual Steam client, right-click it, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, and then OK. This is the first method. Check if the error is solved. If not, copy that same Steam client file, then open the game that's giving you the issue. In your Steam library, right-click the game, for example, Half Sword Demo, go to Properties, then click on Installed Files and select Browse. In the Games folder, right-click and paste the Steam client you copied earlier. This may resolve the application load error. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.